Hi, this is a short video to show you how to use the voice typing feature inside a Google Doc. Here we have a Google Doc where a student can respond to the prompt. The prompt is up here, so the student should read that, and then click at the end of the line and then press the enter key a few times so that he or she has a space to then respond to the prompt here. To use the voice typing feature, go to Tools and click on Voice Typing. Now we have a microphone here. When it's black, you're actually not recording. When it's on red, then you are actually recording. You can change the language here that you want if you have a different language that you're going to be speaking. I will be speaking in English today, so I'm going to keep it on English. Okay, so when you're ready to start voice typing, you just merely click the microphone. I was taking a cruise with my family 3 weeks ago, and we all had to self-quarantine on the ship! I was really scared because none of the countries would let us dock. We were really bored, but luckily we still had really good food to eat, and the ship's staff were so nice to us. New line. We de-embarked from the ship 5 days ago and are now at a U.S. Army base in quarantine. The food is not really as good, and I miss my friends. Now, I didn't want them to put depart here. I wanted them to type debarked. So what we can do right here is we can just click on that word and click the X, and then we can actually just type over that. And we're going to go back through this and make sure that everything that we said has been typed out correctly and spelled correctly. Voice typing is not perfect, but it works really well for most of our students.